Hi everyone, as you'll be aware, we recently launched the Detmold Way, and a big part of that was aligning on our core purpose to make a positive impact for our people, our partners and our planet. And in order to fulfil our purpose, sustainability plays a huge role. So today Tom and I are really excited to be here and to be able to share with you our environmental targets for the Detmold Group going forward.
Thanks very much, Jen. So with our environmental targets, we're trying to achieve three things. We're trying to preserve natural resources, we're trying to keep waste out of nature, and very topically, we're trying to reduce emissions.
Excellent. And I guess, Tom, what would be really helpful for all of us is to understand a little bit more around what those targets are and how we're tracking against them. So could you tell us a little bit more around the targets relating to preserving natural resources, both internally and then also for our partners?
Certainly. So our internal target in preserving natural resources is to use the sustainable packaging guidelines for the design of all products that we produce. Currently 98% of our products have had sustainable packaging guidelines applied, and we want to get that to 100% by 2025. Our external target, and one that will really help our partners, is to increase the proportion of our range that is made from either certified or recycled fibre. So currently 73% of our products either have recycled fibre or certified fibre within them. In 2023 we want that up to 75% and getting up to 80% by 2025. The other really important aspect of that is to have 0% controversial source fibre in our system, and we're currently at that and we need to maintain it.
Excellent. And the next area, it'd be great to hear more from you, Tom, is around our targets relating to keeping waste out of nature, what that looks like both from an internal perspective and then also working with our customers as well.
Sure. So our internal target really is about diverting any waste that we produce in our production facilities from landfill and to take it to be recycled, composted, whatever alternate use we can find. Again, we're performing very well in this regard, so we're at 93% as our global standard today, and 2023 that's our target, to maintain that 93%, and we want to edge that up to 95% by 2025. Then the second part of the target to really help our customers is to take our stock range to be fully compliant to the 2025 legislation, which means that it's reusable, recyclable or compostable. So 2022 we were sitting at 72% of our range. Our target for 2023 is 75%, then 85% and be at 100% by 2025. And very pleased to say that hot news off the press is that we got to 78% in 2023 already. So already progressing well on that regard. Excellent,
lots of really great work happening in that space. And then the final area, which is particularly topical at the moment, we'd love to hear more around our targets for reducing emissions as well, both within the business and with our partners.
Yeah, thanks Jen. So certainly internally we're going to really concentrate on the scope 1 and 2 emissions, which is the fuel you burn and the energy you purchase. And at the moment we have a measure across our business of 1.43 megajoules of energy per kilogram of product. So that's our baseline. By 2025 we want to bring that down, and so we have a target in 2023 of 5 facilities around the world getting to less than 1.2 megajoules of energy per kilogram of product. In 2024 that's to be 6 facilities at 1.1, and by 2025 we want all of our production facilities around the world to be less than 1 megajoule of energy per kilogram of product produced. And the other one, which I'm very pleased to announce today, is something that really helps with our customers with their targets towards 2030 and 2050 and being carbon neutral, and that is that we're going to invest in renewable energy. So at the moment we don't have any plants running on renewable energy, but the company is committed that we're going to add 1 facility every year. So next year we'll have 1 facility, 2024 will be 2, and by 2025 we'll have 3 facilities running on renewable energy. So that's great news that we'll get to announce today.
Fantastic. Thanks Tom for taking us through all of our environmental targets looking forward.